Guys, there's a brand new TikTok badge trending right now. And guess what? I just got mine. Trust me, this is something you don't want to miss. This badge is so fresh that I'm pretty sure nobody in Nigeria has it yet. I mean, this is exclusive, and if you get it after me, you'll be the second person to rock this trend. So if you're watching this, pay close attention. I'm about to show you exactly how to get it. Step-by-step tutorial. All right, let's get into it. Follow these steps carefully. Step 1, hold down on your profile like this. Demonstrates on screen. Step 2, make sure you follow me first. This part is important. Step 3, when you hold down, you'll see an option that says Get Frame. Click on it. Once you click it, TikTok will redirect you to a new page. Here they'll ask you to accept some terms and conditions. Make sure you read them, then hit accept. Now, you might see a small task to complete. Do that, and boom, the badge is yours instantly. If you get the badge, let me know in the comments below. I want to see how many of you can grab it before it disappears. Why this badge is a game changer. Now here's why you need this badge. TikTok is currently promoting it like crazy. That means if this badge is on your profile, TikTok will push your videos to more people, completely free. But here's the catch. This badge won't last forever. It will expire after some time, so the sooner you get it, the better. So guys, don't wait. Follow the steps, grab your badge, and drop a comment once you get it. Also, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more TikTok updates, turn on post notifications so you don't miss anything. I'll be bringing you more exclusive TikTok tricks and trends, so stay tuned. One love, guys.